Do you mind? Huh? Do you mind? So we're butchering rabbits tomorrow, so cleaned out the feed on the ones we're butchering. And these three clowns have been up here for over an hour getting every last morsel of rabbit feed off the ground, and the rest of the herd has left them. So they're like freaking out because they don't know where the rest of the herd is. They're down in the field eating. You should just go. Yeah, you should just go. Get goats, they say. Well, I'm back up here at the mill, sharpened and set that blade, so hopefully I can take the ocean waves out of that and I can mill some lumber today. It is beautiful. It's 50 degrees here this morning. Feels like fall. All right, so this log has made me a 12-inch cant. That's a big boy. It checked up in here about 6 inches. That sucks. That's the one I can see anyways, but I'm gonna get nine full size, full dimension 4x4s out of this thing. 10.5 feet long. I have yet to be able to flip this by hand. I had to use the skid steer every time, and I've already got, look at these boards here. They're like close to 12. I got 4 of them already, like 12 inches wide. So that's a hunk of wood, people. All right, hold on a second. All right, so here is how I collect my sawdust. Put it in a bucket, dump it in the back, and then I go and dump this in the goats' houses for them to sleep on. I got a question for everybody. Should I stop? Oh, anyways, should I order a $15,000 conveyor so I don't have, this is a lot of work, man, taking that bucket 6 feet to my side-by-side and dumping it. Do you know how much time that wastes? I could have a $15,000 conveyor right along here and it would just dump right into it. Man, I tell you, that would be the cat's ass. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.